Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through reports in Recruit CRM and show you the different report types available to help you track performance, monitor recruitment activities, and make data-driven decisions. Let's get started. First, head over to the Report section from the left side navigation bar. Please note that only account owners, admins, and users on custom roles with the appropriate permissions can access this section. Once you're inside, you'll find several report categories designed to give you insights into different areas of your recruitment process. Let's take a quick look at each report type. First, you'll land on the Account Overview Report section. This report provides a high-level summary of activity across your Recruit CRM account. It helps you understand overall performance by giving you a snapshot of key metrics within your database. You can check the total candidates in your pipeline, the total deals by the volume, and the deals by value. Moving on to the next report, we have the Team Performance Report. This report allows you to track the productivity and performance of individual team members. It can help managers evaluate activity levels and identify trends across the team. By clicking on the Team Members option, you'll be able to select a specific team member. You can select either one or all team members. You can also click on a specific teammate to generate a specific report. Clicking on the KPIs will give you additional options for multiple activities performed by that user related to activity types such as tasks, meetings, hiring stages, call types, notes, and other tracked activities. If you click on the Time Period option, you can choose when the activity was performed, and you can track activities for up to 365 days from here. Once you make your selection and hit Generate Report, the report will be generated for that specific user. If you want to compare performance across your team, simply select All Users and click Generate Report. Once you've generated your report, you can save it by clicking Save and Generate. Enter a name for the report in the pop-up window, then click Save. Under the Team Members option, you also get the deactivated users and the breakdown of team users, as well as the teams if you have created in Recruit CRM. So you can also create reports based on team performance and teammate performance. The next tab is your Save Schedule report. If you click on this tab, you'll be able to see all your saved reports. If you click on the Select Reports option here, you'll be able to see all your scheduled and saved reports for yourself to track. You can also perform actions such as editing the name and type of the report. You can also change the specific details of the scheduled reports from here and even delete the report if you want by clicking the Delete button and then hitting Yes on the Delete pop-up. Moving on, the Candidate Lifecycle report helps you understand how candidates move through different stages of your recruitment process. This can help you identify bottlenecks and improve candidate management workflows. You can choose the KPIs based on the hiring stages candidates were in, as well as candidates that were pitched. You can also choose a specific timeline of your choice, or select the all-time option if you'd like to view the entire date range. You can also choose a custom range from here, select a specific date from and to, and click on the Generate Report option. Next is the Client Performance Report, which provides insight into client-related activities and performance. It can be useful for tracking engagement and understanding which clients contribute most to your recruitment efforts. You can generate reports for specific companies that you have in the account by clicking on the Select Company option and choosing the companies. You can either select individual companies or use the Bulk Select option right from here. Once you select the companies, you can click on the KPIs you want as per your choice, choose the specific time range, and hit Generate Report to get the insights of your evaluation and progress. Next is your Job Statistics report. This report gives you detailed information about your jobs, including activity and performance metrics that help you evaluate hiring progress. You can select the specific jobs by clicking on the Jobs option, and you can choose either one or multiple jobs by using the Bulk Select option. By default, the 50 jobs will be selected. You can click on Select Jobs. For the KPIs, you can choose from different hiring stage to note type, from the different activity type, and you can decide on the time period. You can also filter this particular report by your team members and hit the Generate Report option. If you scroll down, you'll see a list of reports for the selected jobs. If you click on the drop-down for a specific job, you'll be able to see individual teammates' performance for that specific job. Not only this, but you'll also be able to export this to a CSV and perform other actions like scheduling report and saving and generating more reports. Next is your time to hire report. This helps measure how long it takes to fill positions. The report can be valuable for identifying areas where your hiring process can be optimized. You can click on the Select Job option to choose the jobs you want to take out a report for. Once selected, choose the KPIs for different jobs and click Generate Report to view the results. Now, if you're using deals, you can create reports on multiple options for deals. First is the Deals by Teammate and Team. If you're using the Deals module, the Deals by Team and Teammates report allows you to analyze deal performance across individual users or teams and compare overall contributions. You can choose specific team members using this option or generate reports for specific deal stages using your preferred interval. You can generate the report based on either the number of deals or their total value based on the added-on date or the close date. Next is your Deals by Revenue. The Deals by Revenue report focuses on revenue generated through your deals, helping you understand financial performance and identify revenue trends based on your deal stage and interval with specific other options like weekly, monthly, or yearly. Or you can take out the report by the added-on date or the date the deal was closed. Important note about the time zone. When generating reports, Recruit CRM uses the actual timestamp of actions along with the time zone configured in each user's profile. As a result, if your team members are working from different locations, you may notice slight differences in report results due to differences in time zones. The final report type is Target Reports. The final report type is Target Reports. If you click on the Target Reports, this is where you can track the performance by monitoring teams and individuals or roles against assigned KPIs within set dates and frequencies. You can select the specific target created by you, click on the KPIs selected by you, the name of the assignee on the dropdown, and the interval. If you want to create new targets for your team's individuals, users, or any specific roles, just hit on the Create New Target option, add a target, choose a target type, select the assignees from the dropdown, and choose the frequency. Select your starting and end date, add your KPIs for the task, choose the value that you want to place, and you can even add more KPIs to this specific task by hitting the Add Another KPI button as needed. Once you're done with everything and all your edits on the form, click on the Create button, and your new target will appear in your All Targets option under this section. Another thing is scheduling reports, which you'll find as an option under All Your Reports is your Scheduled Report. Recruit CRM allows you to automate report delivery using the Scheduled Report feature on all the reports. To schedule a report, click Schedule Report, choose the recipients, select the delivery frequency, review the report settings, and click Save. Your saved reports will then be sent automatically at the selected frequency, making it easier to keep stakeholders updated. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview helps you make the most of Recruit CRM reports.